Ready for some fun, Teddy? Whee! You can jump so high! Oh no! What have I done? I'm a monster!
Annie?
Mom, look at my teddy!
Oh, don't worry. I know what to do. All I need is clear tape. I'll cut off a small section. Then I'll color it with a pink pen. I want to cover it all. Next I'll draw a straw in the center. Now I'll fold the tape over. Then I'll blow into the straw. A perfect bubble. I'll pinch the end to seal it. I've made more bubbles of various sizes. Now I can stick them together. I'll use a correction pen to draw on the tape. I'll start with a big circle. Then I'll fill it in. Next I'll draw the eyes. And then the nose and mouth. This is gonna be so cute. I'll stick paper ears on top. Aw, look at it. It's so soft and cuddly. Oh, Annie, look what I've got.
Wow! It's adorable! I just want to squeeze it!
Go ahead. But not too hard. Phew.
You're my best friend! Come on, let's play!
Lunch, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye. Where's my bag?
I'll stick the sign right here. I'm open for business! Oh, a customer! Hey, Mommy!
Huh? Oh, hi, Chloe.
Welcome to my store! See anything you like?
I don't have time for this. $38 for that? No.
That's okay, I've got lots more.
What is it now? A flamingo. Cute. It's tempting, but no thanks, sweetie. I'm trying to find my bag.
I have just the thing! It just came in today.
My handbag! Pass it over.
It'll cost ya!
I don't have any money. Sorry.
Well, you can't have it! Money!
But… fine. I'll play along. Wait there. I just need to grab something.
Ooh, shiny! You're so silly, Mom. I only accept cash.
I'm in a rush, Chloe. What am I gonna do? Hang on. I have an idea. Yeah, I think this'll work. I'll need these gloves and this box. I'll be right back. I'll start by cutting the box into sections. I'll also need my glue gun. I'll run a thin line of glue across this piece. That should do it. Then I'll stick it to the large rectangle. I'll press it down, making sure it's stuck. Then I'll do the same with the rest. The end sections have small slots in them. Next I'll need a strip of paper. I'll roll it up. I want to keep it nice and tight. I'll keep a small piece loose. I'll pass that through one of the slots. That looks good. I'll glue around the edge of this square of cardboard. I'm glad I'm wearing these gloves. I'll stick that to the top of the box. It's slightly smaller, but that's all part of the plan. Now for the last piece. I'm only gluing around 3 sides. I'll put this at an angle. I'm happy with that. Now it's time to decorate it. I'll apply glue around the sides. Then I'll cover it with black material. I don't want any creases. I've left a little extra material for this back section. Then I can add white card. This'll be a display and a keypad. I'll keep the numbers evenly spaced out. I'll need a credit card. Phew! It's been accepted. The receipt comes out the top. I hope Chloe likes it. Let's find out. Ahem. Do you accept card now?
Wow! That's so cool!
Every shop needs a card machine.
My business is growing!
So can I buy the bag now?
Huh? Of course!
I was hoping you'd say that. I'll slide the card in here. And I'll complete the sale.
It's a pleasure doing business with you. Here you go!
Finally. Now I can go. What was that? How did that get down there? Oh, are you kidding me? Hey! What am I supposed to do now?
Supply and demand, Mom. Better get your credit card ready. Vroom, vroom! Screech! Beep, beep! That was a close one. Out of the way! Coming through! Nothing can stop me!
Sha-la-la-la-la, vacuuming the room. I feel so alive. Does it get any better than this? Hoop-de-doo-de-doo.
Wait a minute. Hit the gas! Vroom! Woohoo! Faster! Faster!
How does the house get so messy? Huh? The vacuum isn't sucking. What's wrong with this? I don't get it. It's not working. This is so strange. How did that happen? Oh, I should have known.
Hey, Mom! Let's roll!
Really, Chloe? I'm trying to clean. This belongs in the trash.
Aw, you always ruin my fun.
On second thought…
It's so unfair. Wait, why are you looking at me like that?
I have an idea. I'll cut sections from the pizza box. Then I'll get my glue gun. I'll start with this piece. I'll put glue along the edge. That's enough. Now I can stick it to this large rectangle. I'll do the same with the other side. I've scored a long strip of cardboard. This'll let me bend and shape it. I'll use glue to hold it in place. I can put this to one side. I've cut a hole in a soda cap. I'll push 2 straws through it. I want it to be a snug fit. I don't want it coming loose. So I'll use glue to secure it. I'll go around the outside of the cap. I've cut a small hole on the top of the cardboard. The straws can go through that and come out of this hole. Next, I'll need more soda caps. I'll push a wooden rod through a straw. The straw is slightly smaller than the wooden rod. The soda caps can go on either end. Then I'll use glue to hold everything together. Let's try it out. Wow! Look at it go! I'll fix these to the underside of the cardboard. I'll add some finishing touches. Like lights and windows. I'll slip a balloon over the soda cap. I'll inflate the balloon. Time for a test drive. Look out!
What is this?
Whoa! This is awesome! I knew you'd like it.
Thanks, Mom!
Don't mention it, honey.
I can't wait to try it out. I think it's ready. Start your engines! Whoa! I love it! It's so fast! Oh no! Oh no! It's gonna crash! Oops. Sorry, Mom.
I hope you've got insurance. I should have thought of this earlier. Let's do this. Go!
This is so exciting! Keep going, Mom!
Being a parent is tough. We get it. But we're here to help. We've come up with some amazing hacks to make life easier. There's no need to thank us. It's just what we do. I love this shade of blusher. Oh, someone's calling me. I better answer it. Hello? Oh, hey, girl. Really? I don't believe it.
Pop, pop, pop! Oh, Mom's on her phone. I want to do that. You don't say. You have to be there.
Okay, catch up later.
Oh, so long! I'm such a grown-up. But I need a real phone. I shouldn't. But I can't resist. The perfect crime.
Aw, there's my beautiful girl.
Busted! Retreat! Retreat! I'm not giving up. Nice and easy.
Oh, you need a little powder, Annie. Tickle, tickle.
Cute, Mom. Okay, this time.
Aw, are you giving me a hug? That's so sweet. I need this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. This is getting ridiculous.
Mommy needs to get ready.
I'll never get that phone.
Looking good. I better get my gloves.
Aha! The perfect distraction! I need to be quick. We should totally do lunch.
Here they are. They feel so soft.
Sounds good to me. Oops!
Annie? No! I'll save you!
Whoa! How did you do that?
I'm so disappointed in you, Annie.
Sorry, Mom.
You can't play with my phone. Hang on. Maybe you don't have to. I have a great idea. This box is just what I need. Time to get to work. I'll start with a small square of cardboard. I'll make a quick sketch. It'll be the outline of a phone. I feel so artistic. Now I'll add some details. This'll be the keys. So far so good. Then I'll draw the screen. Next I'll do the same over here. This'll be the other side of the phone. I'm glad I've got a steady hand. Then I need to cut it out. That was easy. I'll flip these 2 pieces over. I'll need my glue gun for this next part. I'll apply glue around the edge. I don't need a lot. Now I have a piece of corrugated card. I'll stick this to the glue. This'll be the side of the phone. I'll wrap it all the way around. Just like this. The other piece of cardboard can go on top. I'll do the same with the other sections. It's starting to take shape. I need to join them together. I have a small metal bracket. This'll do the job. I'll stick it to the inside of the cardboard. It helps it flip over. Just like a real phone. Now I need to color it. I'm using a correction pen for this. Then I'll go around the edge with a pink marker. I'll turn it over and do the same on the opposite side. But that's not all. I'll stick this cute kitten to it. I've cut a hole where the screen will be. I'll insert a picture into it. I think that's it. I can't wait to show Annie. Look what I've got. Let's try that again. Hello? You want to speak to Annie?
Whoa! I don't believe it!
It's for you.
You're kidding me! Wow, this is so cool! I have an important call to make. They better answer.
Hello, Annie.
You won't believe the day I've had. You're gonna laugh.
Tell me everything.
Ugh, I thought mermaids would be more fun. Mom!
That doesn't sound good. Mommy's coming! Chloe? What's happened? Tell Mommy.
These toys are boring.
Oh, wait there.
Huh? What's this?
Give it a try.
Ooh, this looks fun. Come here, ducky. Look at all the colors. I could get used to this.
That should keep her busy.
And the duck goes right on top. That was it? Mom!
Are you joking? I just want to read. What now?
I finished the puzzle.
Wow, you're a genius. I'll get something else. Here you go. Have fun and take your time.
Ooh, this is more like it. I need to match up the pictures. How hard can it be? Not hard at all. Ugh. Boring. Mom!
Not again.
Oh, hey Pikachu. How's it going?
What?
Look, I finished it.
There must be something you can play with. Let's see. Come on, think. Nope. Nothing. What are we gonna do? Wait. I wonder. Yeah, I think I've got it. This'll solve everything. Wait right there, honey. I'll need a piece of cardboard. And a pair of scissors. I'll cut off the corners. I want to make them curved. That's perfect. Now it's time to get creative. I'll need a marker pen for this next part. I'll draw a small square on the cardboard. Then I'll divide it into sections. I'm making a grid pattern. I'll number each square. Now I need to cut the grid out. I'll put it on one side for now. I have a sheet of pink paper. I'll use this to color the square. It's so colorful. I'll flip it over. I'll rub a glue stick over the back of it. I need it to be super sticky. This'll be my frame. Next I need a blank sheet of white paper. I'll draw love hearts on it. Then I'll sketch out Pikachu. I don't want to make any mistakes. This has to keep Chloe entertained. There's so much pressure on me. I'll quickly color it in. I can't forget about Pikachu. I wish I had rosy cheeks like that. It's a work of art. Now back to the grid. I'll turn it over. I'll put glue on it. Then I'll stick my drawing to it. I don't want any creases. I can cut it into pieces. Time to put it into the frame. I'll arrange the pieces like this. It'll make a great puzzle. Okay, I think it's ready. Chloe will love it. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to move the pieces. Oh, Chloe, I made this for you.
Are you seeing this, Pikachu? It's awesome!
Phew, I think it's working.
Wish me luck! This looks tricky. I'll slide this tile over here, and then move this one. I need to concentrate.
And I need to relax. Wait. I want to check something. Ah, that's more like it.
This is the last piece. Mom!
Seriously? What?
Check it out! Pikachu.
Oh, you finished it already. I'm proud of you.
I want to do it again! It was fun! Hurry, Mom!
Being a parent can be tough. That's why we've come up with these amazing hacks to help you out. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.